Hey there, it's Sarah. Have you ever wondered what you can say to instantly captivate a younger woman and make her want you instantly? Today, we're going to reveal some of the hottest things you can say that will make her desire you right away. By the end of this video, you'll have a repertoire of captivating lines, giving you a clear advantage in sparking attraction. Stay tuned until the end for our bonus tip. It's key advice for making these phrases even more effective, enhancing your approach and connection. Before we begin our discussion, if you're interested in stepping up your dating game, there's a free strategy 60-minute session waiting for you. Just click the link below to reserve your slot. Ready? Let's dive in. 1. Compliment her uniqueness. This is one of the best methods to capture a younger woman's attention right away, to sincerely acknowledge her individuality. Generic compliments alone cannot make her feel seen and valued the way you can when you point out something unique about her that makes her stand out from the crowd. For instance, you might say, "I've never met anyone who can light up a room the way you do." This kind of compliment not merely acknowledges her presence, but also suggests that she has a rare and captivating quality. It shows that you're paying attention to her individuality and that you appreciate the traits that make her stand out. Your passion for, her interest, is really inspiring, is another example that could be used. I appreciate how passionately you can discuss it. She feels genuinely appreciated and understood when someone pays attention to her character and interests rather than just making passing remarks. She feels valued and special when you take the time to identify and acknowledge these distinct qualities, which can greatly heighten her attraction to you. She will remember these kind, sincere comments for a long time and sense a stronger bond with you. 2. Express admiration for her ambitions. Expressing sincere appreciation for a younger woman's goals is another highly effective strategy to win her over. You can show that you are aware of her aims and appreciate the effort she puts into reaching them by recognizing and applauding her dreams and goals. This strikes an emotional nerve with her because it speaks to her core values and interests her in a way that is meaningful to her. Imagine the impact of saying, "I really admire how passionate you are about her passion." It's inspiring. This statement does more than just recognize her interests. It shows that you see the fire within her, the dedication and drive that propel her forward. It's a compliment that goes beyond the superficial and taps into her inner world, making her feel truly understood and appreciated. You may also remark, "It's amazing how committed you are to her goal." Someone who is this dedicated to their ambitions is uncommon to find. Her hard ethic and determination are brought out by this kind of praise, which she probably takes great satisfaction in. It conveys to her that you think highly of her as a determined, aspirational person, which may be quite gratifying and affirming. 3. Use playful teasing. Playful teasing is an art form that, when done right, can create a fun and flirty atmosphere that draws a younger woman in. It's all about striking the perfect balance between humor and lightheartedness, showing her that you're confident, fun, and comfortable enough to engage in a bit of banter. This approach helps break the ice and build rapport, making your interactions feel more dynamic and engaging. Think of it as a way to challenge her playfully and keep the conversation lively. For instance, saying something like, "I bet you can't go a day without checking your Instagram," is a perfect example. It's a harmless tease that playfully pokes fun at a common habit, likely making her laugh and encouraging her to play along. The key is to be lighthearted and avoid any comments that could be taken as mean-spirited or too personal. Another great example could be, "You talk a big game about your cooking skills, but I'm not sure you could handle my secret pasta recipe." This kind of playful challenge not merely adds a fun twist to the conversation, but also creates an opportunity for her to respond with her own playful retort, keeping the dialogue flowing and enjoyable. Playful teasing shows that you're not afraid to have a little fun and that you don't take everything too seriously. It also demonstrates your confidence and ability to engage in witty banter, traits that are often very attractive. By keeping the mood light and fun, you make her feel relaxed and excited to be around you. 4. Share a personal insight. Sharing a personal experience or thought with a younger woman is one of the most effective methods to establish a strong rapport. You let her into your world when you talk to her about your personal experiences and convictions, which builds intimacy and trust. By showing her the real you, this type of sharing goes beyond appearances and creates a true connection. Imagine telling her, "You know, I've always believed that the best relationships are built on mutual respect and understanding." This isn't just a statement. It's a glimpse into your values and the kind of relationship you aspire to have. It shows that you have thought about what makes a relationship work, and that you value qualities that are foundational to a lasting connection. "Growing up, I always admired how my parents supported each other through everything," is another powerful example. It made me see how crucial it is to always support your partner. You share a little bit of your past and the lessons that have molded who you are by providing this personal insight. She has a greater understanding of who you are as a result of your conversations becoming richer and more meaningful. Sharing personal insights helps to humanize you and makes you more relatable. It shows that you're not merely trying to impress her, but are willing to be vulnerable and genuine. This level of authenticity is incredibly attractive and can set the stage for a relationship built on trust and mutual respect. When you share a part of yourself, you also encourage her to do the same. It creates a two-way street of openness and honesty, making your connection feel more real and substantial. It's these kinds of conversations that can transform a causal interaction into something truly special. Hope you're enjoying the video and feeling motivated to enhance your dating skills. Our free 60-minute strategy call is tailored to help individuals like you who are ready to make real changes. During the call, you'll gain insights into developing a personal dating style, techniques for effective communication, and ways to build confidence that makes a difference. Don't wait. Click the link in the pinned comment to reserve your session. 5. Highlight her strengths. Recognizing and expressing a younger woman's abilities is one of the best methods to win her over. By focusing on her strong points, you may help her feel more confident while also letting her know that you respect and admire her for who she really is. In addition to forging an important emotional bond, this kind of sincere acknowledgement can help her feel fully seen and understood. Imagine telling her, "Your determination is really impressive. It's clear you're going to achieve amazing things." This statement goes beyond a simple compliment. It acknowledges her hard work, ambition, and potential. It shows that you're paying attention to her efforts and that you believe in her abilities. Another instance could be, "I admire your sensitivity. Someone with such a genuine concern for other people is endearing." She will feel appreciated for her inner attributes if you draw attention to her generosity and sensitivity, which may be quite gratifying. 6. Show genuine interest. Showing genuine interest in a younger woman's thoughts and opinions can be incredibly attractive. When you actively listen and engage with what she has to say, you make her feel valued and respected. For example, "I love hearing your perspective on things. You always have such interesting ideas." This statement conveys that you find her thoughts intriguing and worth listening to. It shows that you appreciate her intellect and creativity, which can make her feel special and understood. Another example could be, "What you said about topic was really insightful. I never thought about it that way before." By acknowledging her viewpoints and expressing how they've influenced your own thinking, you create a stronger connection and show that you're open to learning from her. When you show genuine interest, you also foster a sense of mutual respect and curiosity. It encourages her to open up more, knowing that her opinions are valued. This two-way interaction can lead to more meaningful and enriching conversations, strengthening your bond. Here's the bonus tip that ties everything together: the power of a simple, honest statement. Sometimes the most effective way to express your interest and captivate a younger woman is through straightforward and sincere communication. These honest declarations cut through the noise and let her know exactly how you feel, creating an immediate and powerful connection. For instance, "I really enjoy spending time with you. There's something about you that's truly captivating." This kind of statement is direct and heartfelt, showing that you genuinely appreciate her presence and find her intriguing. It's not wrapped in complex language or hidden behind playful teasing. It's pure and authentic. Using simple, honest statements is a way to break down barriers and foster intimacy. It shows that you're confident enough to be vulnerable and that you're serious about your intentions. This authenticity can be incredibly disarming and endearing, making her more likely to open up and reciprocate your feelings. That's all for today's video. So now you know hottest things you can say to a younger woman. What's next for you? Discover 6 things older men do that younger women think are hot. Or learn 21 signs a younger woman is sexually attracted to an older man. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.